Learning English in Story. Ali lives in a small village. Ali lives in a small village. Every morning, he wakes up early. Every morning, he wakes up early. He drinks a hot cup of tea. He drinks a hot cup of tea. Ali wants to learn English. Ali wants to learn English. He practices speaking every single day. He practices speaking every single day. Sometimes he makes small mistakes. Sometimes he makes small mistakes. But he never gives up. But he never gives up. Now, Ali can speak English very well. Now, Ali can speak English very well. 3 questions in this story. Where does Ali live? Two. What does Ali drink every morning? 3. What does Ali practice every day? Subscribe by next video.